Hello and welcome to a short video from CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. This is the 2018 Audi Q7 S-Line that we've been working on. As you can see here, what we've installed is Rosen aftermarket screen. So this is the 8-inch screen from Rosen. As you can see here, the grain and the leather match is inch perfect, as well as the stitching is even inch perfect as well to match the Audi Q7 seats. Really a nice looking bit of kit. One of the main features on this system is that it's completely crash tested. So it's an 8-inch screen, also has use for tilt for user comfort. And then at the bottom here, what we've done is flushed in a USB and HDMI input. So it's a set that come with the Rosen screens. They look really smart. This allows you for DVD functionality, which enters in at the top, and then you can also link in an Amazon Fire Stick or anything with a USB or HDMI input into this screen. The headphone system, so this customer went for the 3 headphone system. So these are the Rosen infrared headphones. Really comfortable headphones as well. You can set it to listen to either channels A, which is the driver side on this occasion, and B, which is the passenger side. Everything's hidden away, it's all completely crash tested, so it's really safe. You can't tell that we've been there at all. It just looks completely factory, and they look the absolute business really. For more details, we've just uploaded a brand new page to our website for these Rosen screens, so please take a look at that. I've got a couple of other videos that are up there, one on a Range Rover where we've added in a PlayStation to the vehicle as well to link up onto these 2 screens, and then also one on another Range Rover where we've just done it as standard like these. So really effective solution for keeping the kids entertained during those long journeys. For more details on how we can upgrade your vehicle, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, and I'll drop the links below for the relevant pages for the products. So again, main key features is DVD input, HDMI input. They're 2 master screens. You've got a USB input, and it looks completely original, and the stitching is inch perfect. And the main feature of this range is that they're completely crash tested, so they're nice and safe. So for more details, get in contact with us and we can upgrade your car. Look forward to speaking to you all soon. Thank you.